In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment on a Gamma project quickly and easily. Whether you're collaborating on a presentation, giving feedback on a section, or leaving notes for your team, Gamma makes it simple to add comments right where they're needed. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open the Gamma project where comments are allowed. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that the project has commenting enabled, because if comments are restricted, you may not see the option at all. Once the project is open, take a moment to find the specific card or section you want to comment on. Gamma organizes content into cards, so it's important to place your comment on the exact part you want to discuss. Now look for the comment option or the comment icon. Depending on the layout and your access level, it may appear near the content, in a toolbar, or as a small speech bubble icon. Once you see it, click the comment option to open the comment box. This is where you can type your feedback, question, suggestion, or reminder. After the comment box appears, type your comment clearly and briefly. If you're giving feedback, try to be specific so the person reading it understands exactly what you mean. For example, you can mention a section title, suggest a change, or ask a follow-up question directly related to the card. Clear comments make collaboration much smoother and save everyone time. When your message is ready, click Post or send the comment to publish it. Gamma will attach your comment to that card or section so others can review it later. Once posted, your comment becomes part of the project discussion, making it easier for teammates to respond and keep track of feedback in one place. If you don't see the comment option, double-check that you're in a project that allows comments and that you have the right permissions. In some cases, comments may be disabled by the owner, or you may need to be invited as a collaborator first. If that happens, ask the project owner to confirm your access. And that's it. You now know how to comment on a Gamma project. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when you're working with a team or reviewing content. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.